Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to find and manage display settings on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on display. Now on this page, you will find all the display settings on your Samsung phone. First of all, you will find the option of light mode or dark mode. And from here, you can either enable or disable dark mode on your Samsung phone. Beneath that, you will find the option of dark mode settings. And from here, you can set a schedule to enable and disable dark mode on your Samsung phone. Just like that. You can either select sunset to sunrise, and it will enable dark mode after sunset and it will disable it after sunrise. Or you can tap on custom schedule and you can set a custom schedule for dark mode. After that, you will find the brightness slider on your smartphone. And also you will find the option to enable or disable adaptive brightness or auto brightness. And beneath that, you will find the option of motion smoothness. And from here, you can increase or decrease the screen refresh rate on your Samsung phone. By default, it is on adaptive, which automatically adjusts the screen refresh rate from 60 to 90 Hz. But you also have the option of standard. And in standard, it will lock the screen refresh rate at 60 Hz. After that, you have the option of Eye Comfort Shield. And if you enable Eye Comfort Shield, you will filter the blue light of the screen. And from here, you can increase or decrease the intensity of the blue light filter. After that, you have the option of font size and style. And from here, you can change the font style of your Samsung phone as you like. And beneath that, you will find the option to enable or disable bold fonts. And finally, in this section, you will be able to increase or decrease the size of the font on your smartphone. Just like that. And beneath font size and style, you will find the option of screen zoom. And in screen zoom, you can zoom into your screen. Just like that. After that, you have the option of camera cutout. And from here, you can select if you want to show the camera cutout when you're using a specific app or if you want to hide the camera cutout. For example, if you tap on calculator, in this section, you will be able to select if you want to hide or show the camera cutout in the calculator app. By default, it is on auto, and in auto mode, it will automatically select the best option according to your scenario. But if you select hide, you will hide the camera cutout when you use the calculator app. And if you select show, you will show the camera cutout when you're using the calculator app. After that, you will find the option of screen timeout. And in this section, you will be able to increase or decrease the screen timeout on your smartphone. After that, you will have the option of navigation bar. And from here, you can either select button navigations, in which you can use the buttons to navigate your smartphone, or you can select swipe gestures. And in swipe gesture mode, you will use the swipe gestures to navigate your smartphone. And in this section, you will be able to enable or disable the Google Assistant on your navigation bar. And after that, you will find the option of accidental touch protection. And if you enable this option, your smartphone will automatically prevent accidental touches when your smartphone is in a dark place, such as your pocket or your bag. After that, you will find the option of touch sensitivity. Now, if you enable this toggle, you will increase the touch sensitivity of the screen of your smartphone. And finally, you have the option of screensaver. And from here, you can enable or disable the screensaver mode on your smartphone. By default, it is on none, but you can select a gradient color, a device icon, or a photo from your gallery app. Now, if I tap on preview, it will show this gradient in screensaver mode if you have selected colors, and it will show a picture in case if you select photo. And if you select none, you will disable screensaver on your Samsung phone. And this is how you can find and manage the display settings on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.